YouTube, what's going on fam, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we done it. We finally done it. We broke my previous PR in Warzone 2. Yes, we finally broke my previous PR in Warzone 2 with this insane class that I'm about to show you in this gameplay with the Kastov 762, aka the AMAX. This thing hits exactly like the AMAX did in Warzone 1 with its crazy TTK, and if you're bored of using the RPK, I highly recommend you use this assault rifle right now. But anyway, that's enough talking from me. Now let's get into the gameplay, but before we do, if you guys could drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and be sure to share and tell a friend, I would truly appreciate it. As always, the class will be at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy the video and have a great day. Peace! Okay, we got attacked. Decent. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is this? All we need is a free player now. If I get a free player, we've hacked the game.
Enemy UAV.
That could have been dodgy there. I ain't gonna lie, chat. What was he actually doing, chat? Out of here! There's no way they're both shooting at me, right? They were both shooting at me and not each other. Wow. So.
New safe zone located.
Oh, hello. Little window jump. There we go then, chat. Here we go. What are we on? 4-piece. Did that guy just shoot the dead body? Now, where have you gone, mate? That guy is just lost, chat. That guy is just so lost.
Moving here.
Going for it. He knows I'm coming from a mile off. Laying in a bush. Nah, mate. What is actually happening, mate? What is happening, mate?
Enemy dropping into the AO.
TTV, killer snipe. Oh my god, no, mate, joke. That's me. Yeah, mate, proper laugh, mate. Proper. Can I get up? Can I get on this? Thank you. Yeah, mate. Oh, what, the pep songs, yeah? Oh my god, mate. Come on. Come on then. What is this guy doing? What is this guy up to?
Moving.
Up here next chat. Yeah, I do. Every day I post a loadout, essentially, on TikTok, mate. Every day.
Target marked. Requesting fire.
One is on station. Strike inbound. No joy.
He's here somewhere. Right, okay.
Only 25 left. Keep up the good work. Hostile UAV in the area.
What is this lobby?
You've got relocated.
No! No! Oh my god.
Target marked. Request fire mission.
Longbow 3-1. Target acquired. Strike inbound. On target.
Oh, they're not even fighting each other. They're not even fighting each other. They're not.
Strike near your location.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my actual god. Oh, what the hell have I just done? What the hell have I just done there? What have I just done? 24 new PR, let's go! So this is the Kastov 762 class that we used in that gameplay, and this is the exact class that we use. So for the muzzle, we got the Polyfire S, then we got the Cast 10 for the barrel, then we got the SOR7 optic. I know I sometimes use the AIM-OP optic, but for this gameplay, I use this optic, and it's feeling really, really nice for those long-range engagements. F-Tac Ripper for the underbarrel, and then the 40-round mag for the magazine. This is all the tuning. I don't know why it changes it, but it should be 1.10 for the recoil smoothness, and it should be 0.8 for the bullet velocity. And then on the barrel, we got the recoil steadiness again at 0.4 and the damage range at 0.3. And on the optic, the only thing we touch on the optic is the aim down sight speed, because neutral for me at the moment is feeling rather nice. Then for the underbarrel, we got the 0.6 it should be for the recoil stabilization, and then 0.3 for the aiming ideal stability, and then nothing on the 40-round mag. Guys, be sure to give this Kastov 762 class a go. It is absolutely shredding right now. And if you want some nostalgia of what Warzone 1, what the AMX felt like, this is the closest thing you're going to get to it. So guys, I stream all my gameplay over on Twitch 3 to 4 days a week. I'll leave a link down below in the description to let you know where you can find me and where you can watch my streams and watch my gameplay. I'll truly appreciate if you guys could come over to my Twitch and come join the B fam over there. We'd love to have you guys over there. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this Kastov 762 build, and let me know if it reminds you of the AMX or not. Also, let me know, what are you guys saying? Do you prefer the Kastov 762 or do you prefer the AMAX? I know which way it's probably going to go, but you never know. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and have a great rest of your day. All right, peace.